This video shows how to unbox and configure your Dell Touch USB-C hub monitor, P2424HT. To begin, peel the seal off and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find a 24-inch display, a stand base, a stand riser, a cable cover, a DisplayPort cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a power cable, the safety, environmental, and regulatory information, and a quick start guide. Now, let's connect the stand assembly to the monitor and set it up. Open the front flaps of the box and unwrap the packaging cover to access the back of the display. Now, slide the head of the stand riser into the slots on the display and press the stand down until it snaps into place. Align and connect the stand base to the stand riser, ensuring that the stand base's head is completely inserted into the stand riser slot. Now open the screw handle under the stand base. Turn it clockwise and tighten to ensure the stand riser is secured firmly to the stand base. Then close the screw handle. Lift the monitor carefully while holding the stand riser. Then place it on a level surface with the display facing down. Slide one end of the USB-C to USB-C cable through the cable management slot on the stand riser and connect it to the USB-C port on the monitor. Then, slide the power cable through the same slot and connect it to the power port on the monitor. Now, route the cables through the cable retention clips on the monitor to organize them neatly. And then, slide the cable cover onto the slots on the display and push until it snaps into place. Place the monitor upright on the table and remove the protecting covering. Then, connect the other end of the USB-C cable to the USB port on your computer. Connect the power cable from the monitor to a power source. Now, press the power button on the back of the monitor to turn it on. The articulating stand helps in adjusting the display to a comfortable working position to use the touch screen. Tilt the monitor forward or backwards to adjust for the best viewing angle. If you want, you can swivel the display in 30 degrees in either direction. Finally, the monitor slant adjust feature allows you to orient the display to your liking. For more information, see dell.com/support.